So you have exhaust manifold that's cracked, or you have exhaust manifold bolts that are broken. Okay, this can be a tricky subject, and you're wondering, well, why is it so much money? Well, one, it's a pain in the butt most of the time. Okay, here's a cracked manifold. Okay, that's not a problem, but when they crack, they snap off the bolts, and then you have to extract them out either using a technique with a nut and a welder and have that skill set, right? And then sometimes you got to get a drill and drill this bolt out, and that's what extends its time. And plus they put these things in the car where there's no room to get any tools in. So is there really anything I can do to avoid having cracked manifolds? Probably not. But when it does happen, just know that it's more complicated, and when done right the second time, you have a lot longer life on those parts. And the most important thing is you want a skilled technician to do that job right, so you don't have to buy cylinder heads or have them pulled off and have them go to machine shop to get fixed. That will save you time and money. The right expertise to be able to do something like this and to pull off the nuts off of the cylinder heads will be significant cost savings to you.